This is what you typically see in most presentations, a complex chart and lots of text. If it's a seated class, the information is a redundant component as the chart is explained using a pointer of some kind. There is a better way. Using audio narration with signaling using boxes and arrows, using the appear animation to sync your audio narration with the part of the chart you are explaining. Let's take another look at this same topic using good signaling and audio narration using a graphic with minimal words. This figure represents memory stores as rectangles. Sensory memory, which temporarily holds incoming images and sounds. Working memory, which allows for mentally manipulating a small amount of the incoming visual and verbal material. And long-term memory, which is the learner's permanent storehouse of knowledge. This figure also represents cognitive processing as arrows, selecting, which transfers some of the incoming images and sounds to working memory for additional processing, organizing, which organizes the images into a pictorial model and the words into a verbal model in working memory, and integrating, which connects the models with each other and with relevant knowledge activated from long-term memory. A multimedia message enters the cognitive system through the learner's ears and eyes. The top row represents the verbal channel into which spoken words and sounds enter, and the bottom row represents the visual channel into which graphics and printed words enter. This new thought now is integrated with prior knowledge, and a new thought is created and placed back into long-term memory for deeper learning to take place. As you can see from the original slide, there is a better way of explaining a complex diagram if you understand how the brain takes in and processes information.